What up, what up, what up, guys? It's your boy B. How's everybody doing today? I'm super excited. It's Monday evening, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about a question that a lot of people come to me and ask when they're looking to get involved in real estate. You know, we're about to release the mentoring program here over the next couple weeks. Super excited about it, but one big question that I got is, how much money do I need to start investing in real estate? How much money do I have to invest in real estate, or to get started with wholesaling? Not to invest in real estate, but to get started with wholesaling. How much money do I need, right? And one of the biggest things that I teach as far as with investing in real estate is energy. A lot of people say, they say you're going to need $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 now, but they say you're going to need $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Can everybody hear me okay? If you can, type below that it's giving me like a weak signal. Weak signal. Signal is weak. Everybody can hear me okay? I'll keep talking if you can hear me. How much money do I need to start investing in real estate? $4,000, $5,000, $10,000. What I teach you guys is in real estate. Yeah, you need money to invest for cash. You need marketing dollars is what they say. So what I teach is you need energy budget. So this video is unorthodox, like what many of you are thinking. Many of you have noticed I've been and everything about me I've been transforming. I believe you guys should, and I did it too. I've paid for nutrition. I've paid for a health coach. I've paid for training to help me get to where I want to be. And so understanding that you don't need a lot of money or $0. I teach people how to start from literally zero, started from the bottom. Now how to start from nothing. But what it takes is you having a ton of energy. You got to have a huge energy budget. Relentless. And there's certain foods that we put into our body that takes away from our energy budget. So that if I know that if I put an hour into what it is that I'm doing for myself, I could probably quadruple what I'm making on my job, right? So if my job is paying me $200 a day, $300 a day, and I can come home and I can make $5,000 a day from the effort of an hour, I want to have enough energy to go all in on my hour. So I want to show you guys what I consider to be a ritual. Well, I can't really go into all of it, but these are some of the things that I teach. Life coaching, mentoring. It's not just real estate. It's about how to fuel your body so that you can have the energy to maximize all of the things that we teach you in the course. And some of the things I want to show you guys real quick is, some of you know about this, and these are just things that I've learned that have worked for me. Is you heard me talk about it. It's changing your fuel mix. And if you could see me pretty good, shedded close to 100 pounds or so over the course of the last year, and changing your fuel mix. You've heard a lot of people talk about it. Tom Brady, one of the greatest quarterbacks to ever live. Everybody say boo, right? But this guy, the way he fuels his body, he does not feed his body sugar. He takes sugar completely out of his diet, carbs, all those things. You say, how can I live without carbs? And me, being a person who was obese, right? He was massively obese. One of the biggest addictions is food. One of the biggest addictions is more addictive than cocaine. It's more addictive than any drug. Sugar, food. And so how can you get rid of those cravings? How can you get rid of those hunger pains, etc.? And all of the things that, keep you coming back, craving for more food. What you have to do is change your fuel mix from, what I've learned, is from a sugar burner or to a fat burner. Because the fat is actually able to, in your body, it lasts longer. Okay, so if you put the sugar in your body, and you eat sugar, how you go up and you're super excited and you crash. Sugar makes you crash. Fat allows you to last longer throughout the day. So what that's saying is, by me changing my fuel mix to become a fat burner, I'm able to come in from a long day's work, 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, and I'm able to still, with the same mental clarity and focus, go all in what I'm doing. There's other things that we do, that we implement, that allows us to get those same benefits as well, and enhances it. Like one of the things we talked about is changing your ecosystem in your stomach. They've learned that the microbiome is the cause of many diseases in your body. I was talking to Brian Selma's wife, and she really went into detail about this. But the microbiome is the cause of many diseases, where diseases are held, and a lot of antibiotics that they give us in our kids nowadays, they kill off all of the good bacteria and the bad bacteria in our bodies. So, and what we have to do is is pretty much repair our bad bacteria. Like I said, I'm not the expert at this by no means, but these are things that I've learned that have helped me. And so by me rehabbing my gut, my bacteria, replacing it with good bacteria in my body and feeding that good bacteria with nutritious foods and supplements and things like that, I'm able to change the ecosystem of my body, restore my health to optimal health so that I can perform and be a beast. So how much money do you need for wholesaling? Well, the methods that we teach, you don't need money. You need energy. Your energy budget has to be on 1,050 trillion. You get what I'm saying? And to take it there, you got to fuel your body the right way, guys. You fuel your body the right way, it will perform and deliver to you, and your mind will be clearer and open up to more thoughts that you can imagine that you have. The water that you drink. Stop drinking that BS water, the BS water that it doesn't have the pH balance that it needs. Go invest in your future. Go invest in supplements. Get the right supplements. If you don't know, get with somebody who can teach you, guys. I promise you. So that's the type of coaching that we're delivering. A life coaching, transformation. As you can see, like I said, I've literally transformed my entire being, my entire body, my entire bank account from literally zero. I've lost hundreds of pounds, and I want to bring all of that information that I've attained over the last year or so to the world. And I want people to know this because they're not teaching this stuff in school, and I think that the masses need to know that. And if you know that, you will change your life forever. Guys, it's your boy B. I won't be long. I hate being